If your PC is feeling the heat from Genshin Impact and lagging a lot, fret not. I've got your back with some easy steps to ease that CPU strain. So let's dive right into it. Method 1. Optimize your GPU. Open Settings, then click on System, then on Display. Now scroll down, click on Graphics. Then click on Genshin Impact from the list. Then Options, and choose High Performance, and then click Save. Also, set Genshin Impact to High Performance mode, and watch that CPU usage drop. Method 2. Tweak graphic settings. Fire up Genshin Impact. Once in the game, hit Escape to bring up the menu. Then click on Settings icon. Switch to the Graphics tab. Next, adjust graphics quality to medium, low, or lowest. After that, click on Display mode. Choose a lower resolution. Now turn off V-Sync. Set render resolution to 0.8 or lower. Feel free to experiment with these settings. Close and reopen the game. You should see reduced CPU usage. Method 3. Manage background apps. Open Task Manager by right-clicking on the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. Right-click on Unused Apps and select End Task. Witness your PC usage take a nosedive. And there you have it. A cooler, smoother Genshin Impact experience on your PC. If this guide proved helpful, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And for more Genshin Impact tips, tricks, and whatnot, consider subscribing. Thanks for tuning in.